Hiya. I'm gonna do an unboxing. This is from Keepers, and I applied for these. This is free, okay? I always get acne, I already know, so I always run out of acne patches. So I needed to order some. So yay! Oh, and then also some blackhead strips. I think, I don't know. Okay, so these are the Ready Cure Patch Flexible Patches from Madeca Derma. Okay, that's the brand. Yeah, I forgot the brand's name, but yeah, that's the brand. This is how it looks. And these are in the size extra large. So, and I think these are for your blackheads and your whiteheads. Yeah, so these are not for pimples. These are blackheads and whiteheads, which I really do have a lot since I was a kid. And I think 10, 11, 12, 9, I don't know. And I already been having blackheads. I know puberty hit me the wrong way. Like, imagine hitting puberty, like actual puberty, in the good way, actually getting bigger tits, some curves. No, girl, I got it by having blackheads at a young age. And what else did I have? I guess acne. No, I think that's more as a teenager. I can't remember. Yeah, but the rest I didn't get. The good thing about puberty. Anyways, girl, I'm almost 30 and I'm still the same size as I was in middle school. Yeah. Anyway, so this is, you just put it in your nose, basically. No, first you wash your face and then you put it in your nose for 5 seconds, secure it firmly. Then you just take a patch, put it here, Oh wait, to cover the wounds or sits. It also says, oh yeah, it takes care of acne and large areas on the nose, chin, cheeks, and forehead. But it's also for blackhead and whitehead. Okay, so it's multi-use. Okay. So I'm gonna test it today for these two, but not these because these are big. These are the ones that I'm gonna use today. These are in the size small, medium, large, which I need. And these are the original kind. They had the other kind, I forgot, but I got the original. I think the other one was red. And these come with 100 patches, which, girl, I need. And this is basically the same thing, but except that it's not for blackheads or whiteheads. So yeah, you do the same thing basically. So it doesn't say for how long to use it. Some say overnight. I just leave it overnight or a lot of hours. And this is basically to what? It's waterproof. All right. Okay. So this sounds good. So I've never tried this brand before, so I'm so excited to try it out. So and it doesn't even have a lot of ingredients, which is a plus. Look, so I feel like these are healthy. Some brands be having too many excess ingredients. Look, and tea tree oil works so great on me. So when it comes to acne, so I'm definitely gonna try it. So I want to try. I always forget to bring my other skincare, but my ordinary salicylic acid, I like to put it here and then use an acne patch now because it worked one time. So I'm going to test it out today and see if it works, because acne leaves scars. Look at that one. It's been half a year and it hasn't removed. I know. So, and this is basically like a shipping label slip. So this is basically it. So right now I'm gonna go get the freaking skincare and put it on and test it out, because this has been what, 1, 2, 3 days old, 2 days old, and I didn't put anything on. So you see that it still hasn't gone. So with the acne patch, please put it right away, because for it to actually leave. Sometimes if you wait too long and you don't do anything about it, it leaves a scar. So sometimes it doesn't. It depends. Okay, so let me come back. Okay, so finally I'm gonna use the ordinary serum. So this is the one that I'm using. for acne. So shaky shaky. Oh, it feels so wet. I don't know if it's because it's very cold, because it's in my room. Okay, so I'm gonna put some on. Okay, that's how it looks. Okay. Okay, you see? There I put a oh, I have a little small one here, so I'm gonna put it. Where else? Oh, I have a small one here, I think. Let me put one here. Okay, I have one in my unibrow, but I have brow product on, so I'm not gonna put it. But oops, I got in my hair. I think for now I'm just gonna test those 2-3 areas. So let me put more here. Okay, basically that's all I do. So now I'm gonna put the freaking acne patch. Oh. I'm gonna get the size small, of course. So, ooh. Okay. This is how they look. Okay, okay. So, okay, these are all the sizes. I'm gonna use one of these. It's kind of hard because of the liquid for it to stick. Okay, that's one. Again, put another one. Okay, the last one. So these, I feel like they're noticeable. They're brands that I've tried that they're not noticeable. Look, you can see I have something on. Okay. Oops, I put it wrong. That's basically all I do. So. And I forgot that I need to take pictures, and I shouldn't have because oh well, but that's basically it for today's video. I'm gonna do maybe an update and come back maybe next day, I don't know, and see if it actually worked and put a clip afterwards. So yeah, this is day 1. Today is Friday, so we'll see how long it takes for it to disappear. So there's a close-up too, and okay. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty much it for today. Bye, thanks for watching. So I forgot to test these. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna finally try this out. This, it says place them on and leave them on for like 6 to 8 hours, and then it says to remove it once it looks white, swells white. That sounds disgusting. I don't know how that looks like. So I'm gonna put it on right now for my blackheads. So this is pretty big. Okay, so let's see. Okay, that's my nose. I don't have a lot because I've been using the Pluey Beauty blackhead mask, but I still have some. I have scarring from that. Oh. Oops. I should have put it more here, but whatever. So that's basically it. It looks like somebody beat me up, but yeah. That's all I'm gonna do today. So yeah, I'm gonna probably do an update and remove it. So yeah. Okay, bye.